Assalamualaikum to Dr. Safi Hamzah. Today I will present about water pollution in Sungai Langat. For introduction, the management of water catchment areas is crucial for ensuring sustainable water supply, especially in regions facing population growth and urban development. Controlling population growth can indeed alleviate pressure on these resources. Infrastructure development like the Langat to water treatment plant is vital to support the increasing water demands of new development. Sometimes, unexpected changes or events can impact the availability of water resources. So, periodic re-evaluations are essential to ensure long-term water security for the region. Activities such as improper waste disposal, deforestation and others have led to the contamination of these water collection areas with pollutants, resulting in serious problems for human life as seen in the Langat River.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Raya and today I will continue present about discretion on deforestation, human health and environmental risk. Firstly, discretion on deforestation health. Water pollution is caused by oil spill, acid rain and urban runoff. Water pollution also contaminants such as grease, oil, metal, plastic that can tend to build open a surface. And then there are potential of human health and environmental risks can affect to the environment such as global warming that can lead to rising temperature of the ocean and earth surface. Water pollution caused by domestic sewage, industry waste, agriculture, solid waste, acid rain, and so on. Therefore, water pollution also can affect to human health as contaminated water may contain harmful substances. Consuming polluted water, water pollution also can affect to human health as contaminated water may contain harmful substances. Consuming polluted water can lead to waterborne disease to human health. For example, diseases such as cholera, typhoid fever, infectious hepatitis, and dysentery is very harmful to human health. Water pollutants also, like heavy metal and chemical, may contribute to chronic health issues, including organ damage and increased risk to a certain cancer. It because of dirty water that can damage the human health. Because the dirty water along toxic and chemical that happen in Sungai Langat. Then water
Assalamualaikum
pollution
warahmatullahi
leads to
wabarakatuh.
environment.
My name is Muhammad Danish Hakim.
Then water pollution that leads to environment. Contaminant discharge in the water bodies and harmful to aquatic ecosystem. For example, leading to habitat loss and also excessive nutrient in the water, often from the agriculture runoff, can cause of harmful algal bloom that disruption the balance of ecosystem. For example, chemical pollutant may accumulate in sediment affected to water-dwelling organisms. They also can affect to a food chain. Polluted in water can harm habitat and biodiversity, threatening human health and environment ecosystem. Also, lastly, water treatment play a role in access to clean water and safe to human health. The solution that we can solve is like to manage a waste management that promote the proper waste disposal and recycling practice for minimalist impact of a solid waste on the to the environment. The next solution like education and awareness to increase the public about the environmental issue. This is can contribute to healthier and more sustainable
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
My
wabarakatuh.
name is Nur Nabila Natasha.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Danish Hakim bin Zainal. I from Group 6. Today, would like to talk about possible solutions to overcome pollution in Sungai Langat. The first possible solution to overcome pollution in Sungai Langat is municipal and industrial wastewater treatment. Among them is municipal water treatment process. Most municipal wastewater treatment facilities use primary and secondary level of treatment, and some also use tertiary treatments. And after that is collection. Sewers collect sewage and wastewater from home, business and industries and deliver it to wastewater treatment facility before it is discharged to water or reuse. Second possible solution to overcome pollution in Sonongan is stormwater management green infrastructure implement. Green infrastructure offers sustainable solutions for stormwater management, aiming to reduce runoff, prevent flooding, and decrease water pollution. Some green infrastructure practice include rainwater harvesting, capturing and storing rainwater for later use. The third possible solution to overcome pollution in Sungai Langat is public awareness and education. Public awareness and education are essential component of stormwater management. Education and outreach program can help increase public understanding of environmental topics and stormwater specific issues, promote practice to manage stormwater and raise awareness of the impact of stormwater discharge on water bodies. These programs can target a broad range of stakeholders, including school, teachers, local organization, and community-based groups. Next possible solution to overcome pollution in Sungai Langat is water quality monitoring program. This program involve the systematic collections, analysis, and interpretation of water quality data to track change over time, identify pollution source, and inform management decisions, such as monitoring program are designed to characterize waters, identify water quality problems, and assess the effectiveness of pollution prevention or remediation programs. And the last one, possible solution to overcome pollution in Sungai Langat is regulation. Regulation in Malaysia, the primary federal legislative instrument governing effort to improve and maintain water quality is the Environmental Quality Act 1974 Act 127. The acts aim to prevent and control water pollutions by setting standards.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Nabila Natasha and my metric number is I71489. I would like to talk about assisting water treatment technologies that possible to be used in removing this emerging pollutant in water and wastewater. The public access to Selangor's water catchment areas, which are essential for water supply until 2015, is threatened by pollution because of Sungai Langat's variable pollutant content. Enhancing water treatment capabilities requires a sophisticated strategy. In order to protect Selangor's water resources and public health, we carefully intend to update current technologies in order to proactively address the challenges posed by pollution. A thorough understanding of the wide range of contaminants affecting water quality is necessary in light of the unpredictable pollutant content seen in Sungai Langat. The pollutants, which are most likely the result of human activity upstream, require a focused response in order to improve the effectiveness of traditional water treatment method. Contaminant water treatment technologies have devised strategies to combat water pollution in Sungai Langat. Any procedure that raises the quality of water to make it fit for a particular and used drinking, irrigation, or industrial water supply is referred to as water treatment. Physical, chemical, and biological techniques are examples of advanced water treatment technologies that have been researched for the removal of emerging contaminants. Conventional wastewater treatment facilities are typically not built with the removal of emerging contaminants in mind. This newly discovered of environmental contaminant can harm marine life, the general public health, and cause bacteria. In order to address this problem, a number of effective technologies can be used to remove pollutants from the water, such as tube well water treatment, deionization water treatment, reverse osmosis system, and vacuum evaporator. First technology that can be used in removing emerging pollutant is tube well water treatment. Tube wells are vertical wells drilled into the ground in order to access groundwater. Tube wells are frequently used as a source of drinking water in both rural and urban areas. To ensure the safety and quality of the water extracted from the tube wells, it may need to be treated. Processes to remove contaminants and improve water quality are common in tube well water treatment. Tube wells are essential for controlling water quality in wastewater treatment. A tube well is a kind of water that is produced by subterranean drilling of a long, thin stainless steel pipe or tube. Tube wells are frequently buried in groundwater, and the pump draws water out of the tube well so that it can be used for irrigation and other uses. With the use of this technology, tube well water extraction is guaranteed to be safe and appropriate for its intended purpose. Tube well water treatment can be achieved through various methods such as filtration, disinfection, material selection, and final processes. The qualities of the tube well water determine which treatment is the best for preserving water quality and protecting the environment and public health. The second is reverse osmosis system. Reverse osmosis system are water purification technologies that eliminate pollutants and impurities from water by using a semi-permeable membrane. Pressure is used to force the water through the membrane, allowing only molecule of water to pass through, while most dissolved salts, mineral, organic compounds, and other contaminants are blocked. Chemicals and biological material used in industrial process and the creation of drinking water can be eliminated by reverse osmosis, whether they are suspended or dissolved. Reverse osmosis is widely used for a number of purposes, such as purifying industrial processed water, desalinating salt water, and producing drinking water. Thus, when compared to evaporative concentration, reverse osmosis has little effect on the final product's quality and nutritional value. In the process of reverse osmosis, an external pressure is used to force the solvent where heat degradation is unavoidable. The flavor and nutritional uses of the water were also brought on by this process. RO systems are essential for providing high-quality, purified water for residential, commercial, and industrial application. Because they are effective at removing a wide variety of contaminants, they are a popular choice for water treatment in a variety of settings. Next is deionization water treatment. Deionization is a water treatment process that removes iron from water. producing highly purified or demineralized water. This method is commonly used in laboratories, manufacturing process, and other industries where water purity is critical. Deionization is especially efficient at removing ions that contribute to water conductivity, such as dissolved salts and mineral. Deionization works when ion exchange resin beds, which is water is typically deionized by passing it through beds of ion exchange resins. These resins are made up of polymer beads with charged functional groups. In the first stage, water passed through a cation exchange resin bed. Cation exchange resins exchange positively charged ions in the water, such as calcium, magnesium, and sodium for hydrogen ions, H+. Following that, the water passed through an ion exchange resin bed. Negatively charged ions, such as chloride, sulfate, and bicarbonate, are exchanged for hydroxide ions by ions exchange resins. The combined effect of the cation and anion exchange resins remove almost all ions from the water, resulting in deionized or demineralized water. Deionization is useful in laboratories, electronics, and semiconductor manufacturing, boiler feed water, and the pharmaceutical industry. Deionization has the advantage of producing water with extremely low ions concentration, resulting in high purity levels. Deionization is an efficient method for producing high purity water, and its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications requiring stringent water quality standards. Lastly is vacuum evaporator. A vacuum evaporator is a type of industrial equipment used to concentrate a liquid or reduce the volume of a solution by applying vacuum pressure to lower its boiling point. This method is particularly useful for treating liquids with a high dissolved solids content, such as industrial wastewater, dryness, or solutions containing valuable components that must be recovered. A vacuum evaporator typically works when evaporator in vacuum. A vacuum evaporator's main feature is the use of reduced pressure to lower the boiling point of the liquid. This allows evaporation to occur at lower temperatures than traditional methods. After that, boiling at lower temperatures, vapor separation, condensation, and collection, and continuous process. Vacuum evaporators useful in wastewater treatment, brine concentration, chemical processing, and others. Furthermore, one of the benefits of vacuum evaporator is their energy efficiency, which means that lower boiling points under vacuum require less energy for evaporation. Following that are heat-sensitive materials, which are appropriate for materials that are sensitive to high temperatures and valuable concentration, which are useful for recovering valuable components from the solutions. Vacuum evaporators are useful tools in a variety of industries because they provide an efficient and sustainable solution for liquid concentration and the recovery of valuable components.
For the conclusion, we know that human activity upstream have led to water contamination impacting the supply downstream. The conclusion drawn from this situation emphasizes the critical importance of immediate action. Implementing stringent monitoring measures, community engagement initiative, advanced water treatment technologies, emergency response plans, and collaborative regulatory efforts are imperative. These steps are essential to safeguard water catchment areas, ensure a sustainable water supply, and protect the health and well-being of Selangor's residents. It's clear that a multifaceted approach involving proactive measure, stakeholder involvement, technological advancement, and strict regulation is necessary to mitigate the pollution issue.